Physics is learned by measuring reality, but many classrooms have too few lab stations and closed equipment. Omnilab turns a low-cost ESP32 into an open, remotely observable physics laboratory. We built this with Codex for OpenAI Build Week. A learner signs in, picks one of 6 experiments, and flashes public, readable MicroPython right in the browser. Nothing is encrypted. The whole path from sensor to graph can be audited.
Let's dive into our first experiment, harmonic motion. We are using a simple spring and mass system, but the magic happens in the BMI 160 sensor. It streams real, unadulterated acceleration data at 200 Hz through a secure WebSocket relay. Watch as the browser instantly calibrates the sensor noise and dynamically reconstructs the displacement, velocity, and acceleration graphs. This is live physical data, not a pre-programmed simulation.
From these live waveforms, Omnilab's algorithms extract the precise physical characteristics of this exact oscillator. We instantly capture the period, angular frequency, and amplitude. The student sees the theoretical math formula directly mapped onto their real-world physical actions. Here is where OpenAI's GPT 5.6 revolutionizes the learning experience. Instead of acting as a generic chatbot, GPT 5.6 directly ingests the statistical data from this specific measured run. It then generates personalized questions across 3 cognitive bloom levels, strictly grounded in the student's own data. When I submit an answer, the AI evaluates my understanding and grades it against the real period and amplitude we just measured. Our second experiment explores thermodynamics through specific heat capacity. Here, we push the IoT capabilities further by simultaneously streaming data from a DS18B20 temperature probe and an INA226 power monitor into the same unified platform. As the immersion heater warms the water, the browser flawlessly plots the temperature rise against time, while accurately tracking the total electrical energy delivered in joules. Using the linear slope of this live graph and the measured power input, Omnilab computes the specific heat capacity of the water. The learner then compares their empirical result with the accepted thermodynamic constant. If there's a discrepancy, perhaps due to heat loss, GPT 5.6 is right there to help them analyze the experimental error. Codex worked as our engineering collaborator to scope the product, build the minimal backend, and automate deployment. Omnilab is live, MIT licensed, and open for testing today. Omnilab makes AI answerable to real physics.